Today I introduce the Salmon Avocado Rice Bowl! Fresh buttery salmon paired with a creamy avocado over the all of warm Japanese rice. Simple, vibrant, and irresistible. This quick and easy donburi comes together in minutes, perfect for healthy and satisfying meal. Enjoy the perfect balance of rich flavor and fresh texture in every bite. So let's get started! Let's introduce ingredients. 300 g of rice, 150 g of salmon, 1 avocado, 1 clove of garlic, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, half teaspoon of lemon juice. That's all you need. Let's get started! First, let's wash the rice. Rice can be some dirt on surface, so give it quick rinse. Don't wash it too hard or the grind will break. Just gently stir it. That's good enough. Now add 400 ml of water. If you are using a rice cooker, follow the scale. For 150 g of rice, 1 cup, add 200 ml of water. Now set the rice cooker and press the start. Let's wait for rice to cook. While we wait, let's prepare the toppings. First, let's cut the avocado. There's a large seed in the center, so carefully cut around it lengthwise. Then, twist it along the cut to spread it into 2 halves. Next, gently tap the seeds with a knife and remove it. This way you can take it out easily without damaging the avocado. Now peel off the skin by hand. Choose avocado that is slightly firm, not too soft. Cut it into quarters lengthwise. Then, dice it into small cubes. About 2 cm, 1 inch pieces are perfect. Place the avocado in large bowl. Next, the salmon. Make sure to use salmon that is safe to eat raw. Depending on the shape, cut it into cubes about the same size as the avocado. Then, add it into the bowl. Now let's add the seasonings. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Then, add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. These add a rich, nutty aroma. Next, grate some garlic. Garlic really boosts the flavor, so don't skip it. Finally, add half teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix everything well so the flavors are even combined. And that's done! Oh, I forget to mention earlier, if you like the wasabi, you can add some here. It might be hard to find, but it's still delicious without it. Now cover the bowl tightly with a plastic wrap, making sure no air gets in. And place it in the fridge for at least 20 minutes. This helps the flavor soak into the salmon and avocado, making it even more delicious. Alright, the rice is ready. After it's cooked, don't serve it right away. Proofread it gently and let it sit for about 10 minutes. This makes it softer and tastier. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. Let's serve the rice in the bowl. Make as much as you like. Now take the salmon and avocado mixture from the fridge and place it on top. As soon as you remove the wrap, you'll smell amazing aroma. These flavors have soaked in really well. And if you like, sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. And it's done! Salmon Avocado Rice Bowl! So let's itadakimasu. Look at this perfect marinated salmon and avocado! The garlic, soy sauce, and rich flavor come together and exploded in your mouth. It's absolutely incredible! It's so easy to make, so you have to try this at home. Seriously, don't miss it! Thank you for watching until the end. I'll introduce Japanese cuisine. Please subscribe this channel so you don't miss it. See you next time.